Everyone, Gooner here, aka Alex.
Hey guys, you know here, aka Alex, and
We're back playing Minecraft. As you can see, we're playing Skywars.
welcome back to Minecraft. Today we're playing, as you can see, some Skywars.
So we're gonna be handing a bunch of people L's.
We're just going to be handing a bunch of people L's.
I cannot play him. He's a one of a mankind. He's unique. He is him. But I'm Gooner winner today since he doesn't want to post videos anymore. So I'll post a video for him. We're gonna be handing a bunch of people L's, as you can see. Okay, I suck at doting. I'm not good at PvP either. Especially whenever I can't. Especially whenever I can only play with one hand. Oh. What's up, buddy? What I need? Hey, bro, chill. Hey, bro, chill. It's not. Guys, I almost had him. I would have had him. He's fucking so garbage. Hey, bro, have you ever heard of this game called Fortnite?
It's got like
Will Smith in it. Let's hand a bunch of people L's. Since we're like so good at this game, can't forget the blocks.
Oh yes, a bow. That is pretty OP right there. Let's actually take the arrows as well. That'd be a good idea, Alex.
Parkour. Parkour. Fuck, what the hell were you thinking you were gonna do, buddy? I'm so good at this game. Call me Technoblade. I'm so good at this game. I'm so good at video games. Dude, you're such a fucking tryhard. Hey, buddy, chill. You're not him. Come on, parkour over here. Who the fuck do you think you is, mother butt? Okay then. Get away. Hey bro, it was a prank. 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 Oh, he's hacking. Oh, he's hacking. The fuck were you trying to do there, buddy? I'm not here, bruh. Don't mind me. I'm so good at video games. I'm so good at video games. I'm so good at video games. Oh my god, I'm so good, guys. Like and subscribe. I'm so good. I'm like literally the best Skywars player to ever live.
Stop the cap.
Hey, bruh. Hey, bruh. Yeah, you stay over there, buddy. Where all the chests at? Where's the chest? Oh, come on, Beijing Canadian. Oh, Beijing Canadian looking ass. What are those throws, my guy? Dude, I think you got the dumbest strats in mankind, bro. Like, get... Alright. Yeah. What did I say? What did I say, bro? Hey, come on, villager. Hey, bro. You trying to team, bro? Come on, we can team, bro. I'm just trying to be your teammate, bro. You know? Trying to be your teammate. Ooh, why you rushing? Why you rushing? You Iron Captain 101 ass, villager looking ass.
Of course you're coming after me. You panda ass looking, dog ass, 64 looking ass.
What's up, brother? Come on. Come over here, bro. I'm gonna win this game, bro. You don't got nothing. Come on. Come on. How do I mess up that badly, bro? Ooh, you thought, boy. Ooh, you thought. Fishing rod battle. Ooh. Fishing rod battle. Get your ass out of here, boy. I'm so good at video games, y'all. I'm so good. How does he not have a box? He's gonna rush me, bro, with his fucking hacks. How am I so slow? My mouse is so slow. Let's not talk about that. Guys, let's not talk about last round. That didn't happen, y'all. That didn't happen. Gandhi! How am I missing so horribly? What the fuck? Hey, bro, what's up, man? We homies. Me and Gandhi go way back, bro.
You're my brother.
Gandhi, you AFK, bro? I'll come protect you, bro. I'll be your protector. I'll be your protector. You already know. I'll be your protector, Gandhi. You already know, buddy. Alright. Hey, bruh, it's not that serious, G. It's not that serious, brother. Oh, thanks for the free arrow. Hey, bruh. Ooh. 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 Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. Come on. Let's go, bruh. Come on. Come on, buddy, buddy boy, buddy boy, buddy, with your brown sunglasses. You want me to come over here? Oh, you gonna bow me off, ain't you? Come on, buddy. What was that? What was that, bruh? What was that? Come on. Ooh. 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 Oh, okay, you got me there. Hey, you got me there, buddy. Alright, chill, dude. Chill, dog. Oh, shit. Oh. How you feel, bruh? How do you feel? Hey, bro, I'm gonna be friends with you. Don't hit me off. We're friends, alright? Hey, bro, we're friends. Come on. Hey, bro, come on. We're friends. Yeah, we friends. Yeah, we friends, bro. I told you to be friends with me, but you didn't listen, so that's your own problem. Buckaroo. Buckaroo. A buckaroo. Buckaroo boy. Buckaroo boy. Buckaroo boy. Damn, bro, no one really cares about me building over here. They ain't gonna. Hey, bro, you can chill. Hey, come here, bro. You're my new friend. We new friends now. We friends. Come on, El Grande, I was there with you from the start. Oh, that's how it's gonna be? Come on, let's team. Yeah! Yeah! Come on, let's go, bro. Let's go kick their asses, bro. Me and you in this together, bro. Come on. Alright, bet. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. I'm so good at video games. Alright, I'm sorry, El Grande, or what's your name? Yeah, Odepre. Come on, let's peek this shit out, bruh. Let's do this like Ohio Sigmas, bro. Come on. You in Ohio? I'm from Ohio. You from Ohio? All right, boy. Come on. Oh hell no! The fuck. And another win for us. Yeah. Gooner winner. Or should I say OrangeGoober? Oh, Dupre, my boy.
My little boy Mitsu. I'm so happy to see you again, bro.
Yeah. Who's this over here? Yeah, fuck you. Oh, Dupre. Don't you dare build over to me. Only El Dupre can, bro. Yeah, El Dupre, go get... Bro, Skywars is so easier than I thought it would be. There's like mostly auto clickers in this game. Get off my boy El Dupre's island, bro. You want to team up? I bet. Call me Grox. Call me Grox, boy. Call me Grox. Oh, bro, dude, I get the best weapons in the game, bro. Holy shit. How much you want to bet and win this game, which is a fucking wooden axe, bro? Actually, nah, fuck that. Wooden pickaxe. Let's get this shit, bro. Oh, hell no. Never played on this map before. Hey, bruh. Yeah, fuck off. You want a team? If you really want a team, then you wouldn't... That's your own problem, boy! Come on. Come at me, boy. Come on. Got his ass. Oh shit. What's up, the legit bubble? Yeah, fuck you, Gracie. This map is not rare, bro. I played on this map like fucking 5 times already. What's up, what's up, what's up, what's up? Hey, bro, chill, G. Chill, G. With your fucking 4th of July fucking arrows, bro. Independence Day. Yo. What the fuck are you doing, bro? Ender Pro over here, bro. Come on. Come on. Come on, Ender Pro over here. Oh hell no, I'm done with this shit, bro. Oh, let's go! What the fuck? If you guys wear the Gunner Winter skin, you have ultimate powers. Yeah.